Okay, welcome to FP Markets. Today we're joined with a well-known trader and investor, Dr. Pon. This is a place where we share knowledge and connect. So my name's Aaron Hill and I'm one of the market analysts at FP Markets. Now today, as I said, we are joined by Dr. Pon. Thank you so much for your time today. Welcome. How are you doing?
Good, and it's my great honor to be here with you, Aaron.
Excellent. So look, first and foremost, how did your trading journey begin?
When I was 20-something years, last 20 years ago.
For 20 years?
Yeah, 20 years ago, when I'm studying in uni, like master degree in Melbourne.
Oh, wow. Okay, and how did you start trading? I mean, was it stocks, bonds? What
yeah, first of all, stock,
yes.
Right? And then US stock market.
Okay.
And then Australian stock market. Finally.
ASX,
yeah,
right?
ASX.
Okay, excellent.
And still Forex exchange.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
So you've been trading for more than 20 years, would you
say? Today, probably 20 years.
Wow. Okay. So look, for beginner traders, I know that for me personally, I always recommend beginning with a demo account. I know some traders disagree, some traders agree. What's your opinion on demo accounts? Do you believe that a beginner trader should use a demo account to familiarize themselves with the platforms and familiarize themselves with trading strategies? What's your opinion?
My opinion, I think demo account is very important for reduce risk, error. Like when you press buy, you might do something wrong, like press sell.
Yes.
So once you get used to with the platform, then it's up to you.
Of course. Yeah, it's like, because you can also forward test with the simulated funds, right? It makes it a lot easier. But the only problem with a demo account I find, and a lot of newer traders find, is that it lacks a psychological component, right?
Yeah, that's right. That's a good point.
That's the problem.
Yeah, that's the problem. But demo account can help you to backtest your strategy.
Of course.
Without taking time.
Yes.
You can backtest.
With automated trading, right?
Yes.
Yes, yes. Okay, using the strategy tester, I believe, on MT4. Okay, excellent. So look, I know some traders primarily stick to currency, some traders stick to stocks, some indexes. What's your preferred trading product?
My trading product, very important for me, every day I have to trade, is US 30, like CFD.
The Dow, right?
Yeah, Dow.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Wow. So you trade what, Dow. CFDs?
CFD, yeah.
Oh, wow. Just the US 30?
No, they have some another pairs like GU, GBP, USD, and CJ. So in different time of session, like Asian market, trade CJ, and then London, GU.
Yeah, of course. I was going to ask you that. So what's your preferred trading session? So I guess being based in Oz, you trade the Asian session.
Yeah.
And you can also trade the London session there, the beginning of the London session, right?
Yes, of course.
Yeah, and obviously the US session is a no-no for you, I guess.
It's too late for me.
Yeah, of course. Yeah. So your preferred market is the Asian market, London session, or the Open?
Before Open.
Before the pre-Open. Wow. Okay.
It's like overlap.
Oh, the overlap, the trading overlap. Oh, brilliant. Okay. All right. So let's talk about everyone's favorite topic, trading strategies. Now, we all have a go-to trading strategy, I believe. Some with many trading strategies. What's your go-to strategy? Is it basic? Is it simple? And do you teach this to your clients?
I tell you the truth. Any strategy, if you know that very well, you can use it. But my favorite strategy is pullback strategy.
Pullback, so breakout, pullback?
Breakout, pullback, bonds, EMA, and then price action conference that go in.
Okay, so you look for a breakout beyond the moving average,
yes,
and then the retest of that moving average. Yeah, it's amazing. It's almost dynamic support and resistance, right? So what moving averages do you use?
EMA 14 and 60.
Very short term then, right?
Yeah. I'm doing only day trading.
Oh, okay. So you don't use the 200?
No, it's too long.
The golden cross and death cross? No. Okay. Look. So. How important? So we talk about trading strategies. You like breakout trading. What's your opinion on for me, which is very, very important, risk management and trading psychology. These are two crucial components for me. And when clients talk to me about this, they often overlook these two components, which is very unfortunate because they are so important. What's your opinion on risk management and trading psychology?
Risk management is very important. It's 1/3 of the cycle of trading. You have trading strategy, psychology, and money management. So it's a
very unique skill set, isn't it? Very unique. So what type of risk management strategies do you employ? Obviously, do you use stop losses?
Yes.
Do you employ do you advise clients to use stop losses as well?
Of course, very important.
And trading psychology. Now, trading psychology, I can certainly recommend a good book by Mark Douglas, Trading in the Zone.
Yes.
I'm sure you've read that. And there are plenty of YouTube clips with him in there. You don't need to buy the books; they're all over YouTube. Who do you recommend, and how do you teach trading psychology? What's your go-to approach for teaching trading psychology?
My trading teaching, you have to backtest.
Yes.
You have to believe.
Exactly. You have to believe
stats,
first, right? Yes.
You have stat.
Yes.
Then you count your stat. If your win rate is more than 85, you go for it. If you backtest enough, then you believe in yourself. So psychology is much better than.
It's like when you trade without stats, you're almost trading blind, right?
Yes.
When you have the stats, if you have 2 consecutive losses, 3 consecutive losses, that's when it becomes painful. There we go. That's when it becomes painful for the investor, right, or the trader. But if you have those stats, you have the confidence to continue, because in the back test, it can be, you could have had 8 consecutive losses, but you've been there before. So another couple of points. Accepting losses. How do your clients deal with accepting losses?
If they have 2 consecutive losses, I order them to stop. Stop.
Pull back,
take a rest.
Right? Yes.
Take a rest. Keep it. Take it easy. And then next day you come again.
Fresh.
You can lose, but you have to survive. Don't die.
Yeah, you need to remain in the business. Yeah, because the thing that I'm sure you know this, revenge trading.
Yeah, revenge.
If it continues, it becomes a revenge trade.
Blow our account.
That's where it becomes very painful. Look, finally, what type of advice, for anyone that's listening, what type of advice would you give to beginner traders? So I'm a beginner trader. I come to Dr. Pon and I say, right, where do I start?
Actually, start with your knowledge. You invest in your knowledge. Put your knowledge into your brain, and then you start testing it until you see what you like. You found what you like, and then you believe in it. Go for it. Might take time. I'm not saying that new one like 6 months you can trade like professional. No, different between.
Takes time.
Takes time. If you trade for 6 months, cannot compare to 5 years.
Of course. And the trouble is, a lot of new traders, they come into the industry and they want it within 2 weeks.
Yeah.
They want to be able. It doesn't work like that.
It's not lottery.
No, it's certainly not. So, would you advise a trader to begin with trading psychology, risk management before looking at a trading strategy? What would you advise is the first port of call?
So I think I'm just thinking different from authors, influencer. They emphasis on psychology first. But for me, trade setup is the first one.
Okay.
If you don't have right trade setup for your style, you trade and you lose. You trade and you lose again and again. Yeah. Everyone come to sit together and talk about psychology. You know why? Because they don't have profitable strategy.
Okay, it's a different way of looking at it. Yeah. So for me, I would always say go for trading psychology. Yeah. I understand that because it's so hard to. It's such a difficult industry to understand, because you have to truly accept that losses will occur. Yeah. But it's almost like traders pay lip service to the losses, but don't truly accept losses, and that's where I feel that it becomes very painful. But yes, so I agree. I mean, everyone's very different how they approach it, right? As long as you have a setup that does have an edge, then yes, you still need to work on psychology. Would you agree?
Agree.
Yeah, and obviously risk management as well. Look, thank you very much for joining us today. I know it was a very short conversation, but I'm sure the viewers or the listeners got something from this. So yes, thank you very much for your time, and thank you very much.